Kup ka hi ban khmi ban pek yak
Ka School ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kala Pynshai ba kamshim na don benta ba kano ke Educational Rehabilitation Program ka baday na ka benta ke Longiing ke wala Shah na ka Jingkyrshan kanra ka soka Assam. U Chancellor ka Ustm but u Vice Chancellor u Mahabul Haq u laong ba ka University kala yo ya ka Jingkyrshan ban ai Jingkyrshan Halor ka Pule Puthi. Hendai kala shim ya ka rai bandum ya don benta hadien balami ka Jingkyrshan. Hak ula banjur baka USTM kan yai ne ban a ya ka jing hikai ka bejana ya barok ki kena ki bedai hok ban yo ya ka jing hikai bat ha ki por ki ban wan ru kan yai beteng ban yeng Halor kan ni ka Nongrim.
So people are knowing that when such kind of crisis happens, so we take care of the children. So from the evicted families, I have written because now all the problem is coming for the evicted children. So I have written evicted families, but it does not mean that the non-genuine students will be adopted. When we will be going for such institution, because our institution is known to the people, we are connected with all the compliance of the government of India, state government. So if we are adopting someone, certainly we will be going through the documentation process.